Hey, sir, how are you?
Doing all right.
Do you mind if I get your name?
No crime, no ID.
Okay.
All right now, sir.
When freedom becomes illegal in America, what are we as a people left to do? Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. This video comes to you by way of Hillsborough Cop Watch. This guy gets trespassed from a government building, and later on he gets charged. Now he has to go to court and fight this case. Over and over again, we keep seeing videos of people getting arrested for recording in public. When did recording in public become illegal, folks? And when did law enforcement become feelings enforcement? Because that's exactly what's happening. People wonder what's going wrong in this country. Is it the left or the right, the red or the blue, the gay or the straight, the man or the woman, the black or the white? The truth is, the real problem in this country is government. This video can prove that. You guys check out this video. I'll pause for some comments. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end. Make sure to go subscribe to this guy's channel. I'll drop the original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. You guys go to his channel, leave some comments and see if you can help him out. Maybe you guys can guide him in the right direction on how to beat his charges. Let's get right to it.
What's going on, everybody? Hillsborough Cop Watch back at you with another video. I'm at the tax collector's office out here in Pasco County. Out here on Pet Lane. I'm going to make a couple of DMV stops today. I'm going to see if they respect my rights to record in public and respect my Constitution. Oh, that's loud.
Now serving W 9042 at window 70.
Oh, this is a small place.
Sir, I advise you of our policy, but there's no recording allowed.
Policy is not law.
Okay. Okay, so you're hearing me advising you of the policy, right?
Policy is not law.
All right, give me one of those.
Wow, already. Wow, already. Heard something already about shutting it down.
Yes, sir. So I advise you of the policy, correct?
Policy is not law.
You want to give me your name?
Nope.
Okay. Well, sir, I'm hereby issuing you a trespass. All right? So here's your trespass notice. And now you may leave the premises. All right, so you're not allowed to have any recording devices in here, sir. So now here's your trespass notice. You've been formally
Policy doesn't trump the law, dude.
You've been formally trespassed, sir.
Take
And if you do
that.
not leave, we're going to call law enforcement.
Take that and use it with toilet paper. I don't care.
All right, go ahead and call them. Go ahead and call the sheriff's department.
Sorry, guys. All right.
Shut it down. Go ahead and call law enforcement. Got it?
All right, guys. So they're gonna shut the place down. They're shutting the place down already. Sorry about shakiness.
En este momento no podemos hacer nada porque no están tratando de hacer video aquí y no están seguros. Entonces tenemos que pagar todo hasta que ellos paren. So van a tener que esperar hasta que podemos bregar con ellos.
You know you're violating your own policy doing that.
No puedo hacer nada hasta que
No.
arreglen eso.
I don't work here, so policy doesn't apply to me. So you're violating your own policy doing that.
Hasta que ellos paren. ¿Ok?
That's all you need to do. Just record me, sir. That's all.
Two things I want to talk about real quick. One thing is the fact that these public officials, government workers, they shut down the establishment because a man was recording in public. The fact that they shut this place down is not the man's fault. It's their incompetence. They are unwilling to serve the people. Before you watch the rest of the video, I just want to give you a heads up. He shuts down the static recording and he goes live. For some reason, some of the newer iPhones, they've become real shaky when live streaming. That has happened to me as well. Some of you have pointed that out. You would think technology would get better with time. If it becomes too shaky, just kind of look away, but definitely keep the video on and try to pay attention to what's happening.
We'll be right with y'all, gentlemen. We're shut down right now. We have somebody in filming, so we have to share the filming. Hey, how you doing, sir?
All right. Wow. All right. So you got.
Okay. Hey, sir, how are you?
Doing all right?
Do you mind if I get your name?
No crime, no ID.
Okay.
All right now, sir.
Accessing constitutionally protected activity. Policy is not law, so I don't.
Is there a reason you're shaking?
Just nervous. It happens sometimes.
Why are you nervous?
I was born with it, so
Born with being nervous?
no, it's shaky.
Shaking? Okay. Do you need fire rescue to come
Nope,
check you out?
I'm good. D Hill.
I'm sorry?
No, I'll just get your name. Badge number.
2847.
Thank you. You got that right, Brandon? Okay, so ex-bootlicker, I will do that. I did exercise my Fourth Amendment. So. Hey, John Felix, if you get this, I think that's the same officer that was at the other DMV at Land O'Lakes. Was handling the trespass with Geo and J-Town, and so wow, they called the police for a constitutionally protected activity. Freedom of the press. Yeah, I wish John was here too. I'll call him as soon as I leave. So. I'll call John as soon as I leave here. So. I don't know. What would you use it to? I'll appreciate that, bootlicker. Case number 833286. Guys, do not call Yeah, send him an email. Guys, do not call Pasco County DMV. Do not call. Do not call. Do not call the Pasco County DMV on Pet Lane in Lutz, Florida.
Sir, right now we're shut down. It's going to be about 10, 15 more minutes. We have a
No, sir. No, sir.
I know.
No, sir.
Don't be the star of the show. It's okay. Don't be the star. Yeah.
All right, sir. The safety agent Chris here asked you to leave, and are you refusing to leave, sir?
If you're under threat of arrest, I will.
I'm not threatening to arrest you. Chris
Then
asked if you were.
I will only leave under threat of arrest.
Okay, well, with that being said, we're going to issue you the trespass warning. So if you come back here, you could be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand?
For how long?
It's good for 1 year.
Okay.
All right.
So under threat of arrest, Hillsborough Cop Watch left the DMV public lobby, and later on he was charged. Like I said, he's now fighting this case in court. You know, some of you guys know a lot more about law. You guys have taught me a bunch. Definitely go to his channel. Try to guide him in the right direction. We live in the age of information, folks. We shouldn't have to pay an attorney to help us out in court. Because of the First Amendment auditing community, many of us have learned about our rights, about certain case laws, and now I believe we're taking it to the next level. We're understanding the language of the courts. I believe it's possible that the First Amendment auditing community could change things for everyone. Attorneys are not intelligent aliens, folks. They are people just like us. And just like us, attorneys have to look up case laws in order to defend you in court. That's exactly what we're doing. We just haven't been able to organize that so that we could defend ourselves properly. First and foremost, I would say Hillsborough Cop Watch needs to get any and all discovery to find out any video, audio, or evidence they have against him, and then he needs to prepare for trial if it goes there. That means have all case laws written down that'll protect you. And before you guys go, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution. That's what these government workers and the cops don't realize. We have natural rights, folks. And the First Amendment of the Constitution, as well as the rest of the Bill of Rights, they protect our natural rights. Or at least they're supposed to limit the scope of authority that government has over we the people. You have a freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Right now, the people are in a state of peaceful non-compliance, and government absolutely hates accountability and transparency. The people have no choice but to stand up for themselves. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to go subscribe to Hillsborough Cop Watch's channel. Let them know that I sent you. I'll see you guys in his comment section. Peace.